how I became a lawyer, it was a chance coincidence. You know, my mother wanted me to be a doctor because her father was a doctor. But I used to run away from the biology classes when it came to dissecting frogs. That was something I just couldn't do. I opted for humanities at Loreto House, Calcutta. And later, I joined Presidency College. My mother always encouraged me to have a career of my own. And if I couldn't get into medicine because I didn't study science, she wanted me to take the civil services examination. You know, my father was in the Indian Police Service. Other members of the family were also in service. My father's side of the family, I had one aunt. Her family, her husband, son, daughter-in-law, daughter, son-in-law, they were all academicians. I was the odd one out who joined law. Now, as I was telling you, I took up history in Presidency College, honors in history, because I was advised that that would be a good subject for the competitive examination, the civil services examination. And I was planning to take up history and political science as my optional subjects. Then I was invited to a wedding. It was the wedding of a family friend's son, who was one of the toppers in the competitive examination. And he had opted for the Indian Foreign Service. Okay. He advised me to take up law as a subject because he felt that it was easier to score marks in law. Now, he was from the Delhi Law Faculty, which always had a standard. But unfortunately, I studied law at a time when these national law schools had not been established. Yes. You didn't have so many private institutions. And I'd rather not speak about the state of law education at that time.
True, ma'am.
It was even commented upon in Law Commission reports.
Okay.
Those who graduated from the universities in law, many of them did well. Okay. There were great judges, lawyers, jurists, but it was more because of their own ability, their own effort, rather than what they were taught at the